Mutso, but I've got a different dimension in terms of the social factor when it comes to the back three.
Forward to, Mamelodi Sundowns Chiefs meeting for the 71st time in the league. And if you look at the previous 70 meetings, 28 victories for Chiefs, 22 for Mamelodi Sundowns, and 20 matches have been drawn between these two teams. They reached their loss by 1-0. I've got to say, what a game that was between the two teams. Chiefs, on the other hand, have stuck to the gun season. Before we start the game, let's pay homage to all of those that have lost their loved one because of COVID-19.
Sukela hlala Bruno nasijonga nje iqala lakhona le Kaizer Chiefs ukapelo ba Gavin Hunt uhlasela ngayo Leonardo Castro kunye nayo ngasijonga iqala lakhona le Mamelodi Sundowns balona ingaba la bench yakhe umanqoba kuba kambe bathi bazahlasela ngayo Thembazwane Peter Shalulile kunye nayo Kemut Erasmus Thembazwane kawutaki inhlanze kobethu intonga kanti lona nguye captain wakhona kweqala le Sundowns.
Mamelodi Sundowns against Kaizer Chiefs. Mamelodi Sundowns are taking the goals towards the left hand side of your picture, and Kaizer Chiefs are taking the goals. In fact, against as well Leonardo Castro for Mamelodi Sundowns. For Kaizer Chiefs, when they go forward, while Chiefs on the other hand will be hoping that they are unable to close down one Kemut Erasmus. Romeo Kemut Erasmus, that's a key player for that in the league seasons. Let's have a look now, going forward. Tapelo Morena whoops the ball forward, connected here outside the penalty to Kemut Erasmus. Eli Bolin walked away victorious. Kaizer Chiefs in the game by 2-1. Jagan Sassman scoring a brace, but here comes Kama! Shoots one and keeper bumps it over the crossbar. Went for a first time shot, Kama Billiards against Dennis Onyango. But Onyango equal to the task. Look at that run on the shoulder of the player there from Kamabilia. First time shot from him, and Dennis Onyango equal to the task. Palming that one over the crossbar. Man from Zambia in Uganda. Shame intercepted, no, missed completely by the Sundowns player, collected by Manyama, near side of the field. Manyama opens in a cross into the penalty area. They're victorious. Here comes Ngobo, playing the ball to Billiard. Billiard against Madisha, does well, Billiard. Leaves Madisha for dead, goes for a shot instead of laying the ball towards any team.
Laila K. Khala zayisusa nje lapho lechatha ngabakhosi ngokho ngakwindawo enhle kakhulu angafuthula abathanda ukumbuza ngokube unyango Rivaldo Kutsie esasulu sebala Sundowns what a pass kodwa waphuma ithumele nkhune umthenjwa kudongune nanku umshishi ithatha nje ukulula nje lophola le khangela nothapelo Mrena uzathi noThembazwane nanku Mangete yabajonga abahlali lalithuba le Sundowns befuleza pholeza uhlompo kekezele ngamandla uba ngabe uzojonga lemidlalo lemaqala amabini uba ayiqale njani na isizini zakunikela ngakho lo masijonga nje lephola khona ye-Sundowns enjwa nguye umnumzana Covenant wamnika neampente oba kube ngicaptain ebelume ngezantsi ebemdibanisa nepale ingathi uphinde sayizolo Hlompo uthi ingathi khona imotivation andiyifumene ngoba ndinikwe goal of the season like Clean nje umlula ngolahlobo basijonga nje nakhona eSundowns uzafuna inhloko zabadlali xotha nguyukhadoso kodwa bayancedisana ke ngoku lungisa ujonga lakhe lokugqibela ithibela nkhune bakhona Salt and Pepper Willard Katsande bakhona Castro bazayisebenzisa ngolipna uhlobo ingaba izawufuna inhloko zabadlali uzathini ulayine bayisusa ngokhalezi leyo Rivaldo ukuthi ifuna nje inhloko zabadlali kodwa badlala ngom-17 omhlekazi uthi mandijonge nje abadlali bakuthi lona nguyulayila K ifuna nje inhloko zabadlali bese leyiphumile ithumele nkhune efuna ukuzenza mkhulu ke kambe kodwa badlala umsebenzi lalithiwa la Sundowns andile.
Two teams, Kaizer Chiefs really plays an opening game at home. Now mistake here from Itumen Nkune. Ball lobbed over. Can they find the back of the net? No! Here this time around here, but Ramatempa. They were both doing due to Sundowns when the other one won it. See there, pressure being applied. And I think he did everything right. The ball was going to Makosi. You can forget when he scored a goal against Maritzburg United on the 24th of the same day. As we see the attack, Yandile Jali stitches long ball to the penalty area. Erasmus lacking, and ball dropped short but away this time.
The Sundowns kuba campo idlalewa ikhuphela ngaphandle lophola leyo lingumzamo omhle buzanywa liqala le Kaizer Chiefs ngayo Lebohang Manyama ngokucothayo bezama nje fika pha kwiimpondo zakhe yena uTienes Onyango flikhona yakhe jersey number 40 kwiqela leSundowns uMochega Maditya nabo bakhona wayisusile nje lapha lazafuna inhloko zabadlali nalingqano wayenza kwenza oko ndithathele kona Itumela Nkune khanga afika encam kulaa bhola uphumile yena uphuma ebefamba ngabe iqhimfile laa bhola uphume eqala phambi kokuba aye ebholeni nangengqini ebalena noko wow Peter Shalulile uyibethe ngengqini yes Peter jersey number 38 Shalulile waniphalisa igama lakhe ngcothini esikhulu wathi kunye naye uThemba Mshishi uthini uPrahlampo yabajonga abahlali bakwabo uthi mandiyivale ngokulula nje lebhola lena nalithuba ngogoli leSundowns bangasebenzisa kusini na
Koi from there, Tompotekana, by the way. Can strike it well from that range. But maybe they'll try something else, Sundowns. Thompo looks to go for it. Thompo goes for it. Thompo! Applied. Ball goes out of play. Throwing will be now to Sundowns on the near side of the field. Manyama amongst those who were nominated for the football of the season, but lost.
kanti ipolethatha njengokulula njengokhu iqela leSundowns bathe mashini apho sifuna ukuya khona ukhumbule kambe enye ye-protocols ethi mayilandelwe kule midlalo ezawuthi abadlali abakwibhench iqela leKaizer Chiefs ophilane Zulu Kenneth Sfama libanga lesakho ajonga nje lebhola leKaizer Chiefs ngoko bazawuthi ukhema Pilate bayigoba nje lebhola leyo nalithuba leKaizer Chiefs Mshishi bayifuna emahashini lebhola lena yabajonga abadlali laqiniseka ngamandla one touch waphuma ithuba lekhune nalithuba leSundowns Kaizer Chiefs likanda i3 points iyasetshenziswa Itumela Nkune bewenzile umsebenzi kodwa indlela ethe wayivala ngayo ibhola yakhe uMshishi yawela kwinyawo zakhe uKemet Erasmus uve ngathi Itumela Nkune akuba wonakele AFNB Kemet Erasmus palisa igama lakhe kwiqela leSundowns kwimpazamo wayenziwe liqela leKaizer Chiefs kwithuba befamba ngabo balifumene inqaku yaqhawula lo bhola yaleqa iSundowns yavuza ekugqibeleni Kemet Romeo Erasmus Yellow 20-17. Mamelodi Sundowns 2.
Manyama out. It's more than the future of Chiefs when you're looking at the players they've introduced now. Chancey in Sundowns, long ball, in! Saved by Itumela Nkune. And I have to say that Shalulile was in a good position. 5 at the moment for my JDR Stars, my KCFC. And currently playing for Sundowns from Black Leopards. Can see ball possession squarely in favor of
Ubangabe selfumana ithuba kuyanyanzeleka ukuba sibe khona into esiyibhalayo ebhodini bayigoba nje ngokulula nje lophola leyo kokho bazathi 1-2 waphuma Itumela Nkune uthini urefu umnumzana leqolo body khange adonga ubani nawo phezu kwayo lophola kuye uThemba Mshishi umangethe utheza ndebe besicela ngazo uBrian ngabe manje izibona ngesikusini na uyile uThemba Mshishi i3 points usifumene ngemisebenzi yokumila kunjena penalty uthi uGovernant bawo ndipho ubulumko ukwamkela izinto enginakwazi ukuziguqula undiphe amandla ukuguqula izinto enikwaziyo nobulumko bokwazi umahluko kuba kambe oku ndikunikiweyo kuza kufuneka ndikusebenzise sale mikhala kwiqela leSundowns inzalwana ngapha emzimkhulu Masijonge nje le bhola ye-Kaizer Chiefs. What a pass! Alithuba le-Kaizer Chiefs! Woo! Yonke into ebibhaliwe uba ngaba